Are you tired of scrolling through endless advice about how to make money online, only to feel more confused than ever? It seems like everyone is talking about using AI tools to boost your income. But where do you even start? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 10 AI tools that are beginner-friendly and designed to help you make money faster than you ever thought possible. From creating content to automating your workflow, these tools can turn you into a money-making machine. And hey, if you're serious about leveling up your side hustle or even turning it into a full-time business, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the AI News Weekly family. We've got tons of helpful tips and strategies that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. Jasper AI, the ultimate copywriting assistant. First up is Jasper AI, a powerful tool for anyone who needs to write content but doesn't have the time or the skills to do it all manually. Whether you're crafting product descriptions, social media posts, or even long-form articles, Jasper can do the heavy lifting. Just type in what you need, and it spits out high-quality text in seconds. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can an AI really write content as well as a human? And the answer is yes. In fact, many people are already using Jasper to create content for their websites, earning passive income through ads or affiliate marketing. It's like having your very own professional copywriter, minus the high fees. So, if you're looking to get into content creation or freelance writing, Jasper AI is the perfect tool to get started and scale fast. Pictory, AI-powered video creation. Ever thought about starting a YouTube channel or creating video content but feel overwhelmed by the technical side? That's where Pictory comes in. Pictory is an AI tool that allows you to create stunning videos by simply uploading a script or some written content. The AI then matches your script with stock videos, images, and music, creating a professional-looking video without you ever needing to pick up a camera. This is a game changer for content creators who want to make money through YouTube ad revenue. Video content is more popular than ever, and with Pictory, you can get in the game fast without needing expensive video equipment or editing skills. Plus, you can churn out multiple videos in a fraction of the time, allowing you to scale your content and your income quickly. Lumen 5. Turn blogs into videos with ease. If you're already creating blog content, why not double your income potential by turning that content into videos? Lumen 5 makes this super easy. All you have to do is paste your blog URL or content into the tool, and it will automatically create a video based on your text. It adds animations, stock footage, and music to bring your written words to life. This is especially great for bloggers who want to diversify their content and tap into video platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. More platforms mean more exposure, and more exposure means more chances to make money. And since Lumen 5 does all the hard work for you, you'll be able to create video content without any video editing experience. Rytrea, budget-friendly AI copywriting. If Jasper AI is out of your budget, but you still want an AI tool for writing, check out Rytar. Rytar is an affordable alternative that helps you generate written content quickly and easily. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, or even Facebook ads, Rytar has you covered. It's particularly useful for beginners who are just starting out and want to produce content quickly to monetize their website or social media channels. The great thing about Rytar is that it's straightforward and gets the job done without the steep learning curve. This makes it perfect for freelancers or small business owners looking to save time and effort while still producing high-quality content. Surfer SEO. Optimize for Google rankings. If you want to make money from your website or blog, you need to be visible on Google. That's where Surfer SEO comes in. Surfer SEO is an AI-powered tool that helps you optimize your content to rank higher on search engines. It analyzes what your competitors are doing, tells you what keywords to target, and even recommends how long your content should be. This is crucial for anyone trying to drive traffic to their website, whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or an affiliate marketing site. Ranking higher means more traffic, and more traffic equals more income opportunities through ads, sponsored posts, and product sales. Speechelo, AI voiceovers for videos. Not comfortable recording your own voice for videos? No problem. Speechelo is an AI tool that turns text into human-like voiceovers. You can choose from different voices and tones, making it sound as if a real person is narrating your content. This is ideal for anyone looking to create videos for YouTube, online courses, or even podcasts. The quality of the voiceovers is top-notch, and the best part is that it's super easy to use. Just paste your script, choose a voice, and Speechelo does the rest. This allows you to create professional-sounding content that you can monetize without ever speaking into a microphone. Canva, easy graphic design for beginners. When it comes to graphic design, most people think you need to have years of experience or expensive software like Photoshop. That's not true anymore thanks to Canva. Canva is an easy-to-use design tool that allows anyone, even complete beginners, to create stunning graphics. Whether you're designing logos, Instagram posts, or even ebook covers, Canva makes it possible without any prior design experience. It's also AI-powered, offering thousands of templates and design suggestions based on what you're working on. You can use Canva to create visuals for your website, social media channels, or even sell custom designs on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. It's a fantastic way to earn extra income with minimal effort. Copy.ai. Generate high-converting copy quickly. Another fantastic AI tool for copywriting is Copy.ai. Similar to Jasper and Writerar, Copy.ai helps you write everything from product descriptions to social media ads. The interface is user-friendly, and it's great for beginners who need to create content fast. The best part about Copy.ai is that it can generate multiple versions of the same piece of content, allowing you to pick and choose the one that suits your style. If you're a marketer, or even a freelancer looking to produce lots of content quickly, Copy.ai is definitely worth checking out. Spoke.ai. Automate your meeting notes. Spoke.ai is a must-have for anyone working remotely or managing a business. This AI tool automatically transcribes and takes notes during your meetings, freeing you up to focus on what matters most, building your business. With Spoke.ai, you'll never miss an important detail again. Plus, it's a great way to save time, as you won't have to manually jot down notes or worry about missing action items from a meeting. It's a simple but effective tool that can help you stay organized and efficient. Synthesia, AI-powered video presentations. Last on our list is Synthesia, an AI video tool that uses avatars to present your content. You simply upload a script, choose an avatar, and Synthesia generates a video for you. This is great for creating training videos, tutorials, or even presentations without having to be on camera yourself. If you want to get into the world of video content but don't feel comfortable in front of a camera, Synthesia is a fantastic option. Plus, the AI avatars look and sound natural, making your videos look highly professional with minimal effort on your part. There you have it, 10 AI tools that can help you make money fast, even if you're a complete beginner. These tools are designed to save you time, automate your workflow, and ultimately help you increase your income without the usual headaches. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more tips and strategies for making money online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more content coming your way here on AI News Weekly, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.